lots of legal issues. One of them is images. People just think that they can go and Google whatever they're looking for and share it without giving credit. There are copyrights on all images, and the bigger you get as a company, the more likely they are that one of the photo houses is going to see that and actually come back to you and ask for an invoice of you having paid for that picture. So sharing content is great, you know, especially if you're sharing content from the bigger social media giants. That's fantastic, but doing a Google search and finding an image that you think would be great for your brand, putting your logo on it and then sharing it is a no-no. There are lots of websites where you can get free pictures from, but generally you have to be aware of the fact that there is something called copyright and you need to be aware of it. Also, copying and pasting from a tip page. Be aware of that because it is plagiarism, and you know, that's obviously something that's also a no-no. From a Facebook point of view, and I see it quite often, Facebook has a lot of rules that they set out for businesses when they are appealing to an individual. For instance, competitions. You are not actually allowed to ask somebody to like your page and to share content in order to win a competition. And a lot of people don't know that. So how it really works is Facebook will allow it for the smaller businesses, but generally what happens is the larger you get as a business, you might have the potential of having your Facebook page shut down completely. So doing things like, naturally people will share something if there's a competition, so you don't have to ask them to do it. Asking people to comment, so say for instance you are giving away a hamper. Ask people to tell you why they think that you should win the hamper, because then they comment and all of their friends see that comment and people naturally share. But asking somebody to like your page or put in an email or things like that, it's against the Facebook rules, and I would suggest that every startup business or small to medium business actually goes and reads the Facebook rules for competitions. Generally on social media we find that going and finding the company's handle, either their Facebook page or their Twitter handle or their Instagram handle, and saying, if you're using somebody's photograph, saying photo credit and putting the photographer's name there, or photo credit venue, something like that, that's normally acceptable. I haven't had any, because you're actually just giving somebody good exposure. So generally people are quite happy with that, but as soon as you start really getting into the much bigger things, you need to be aware of contacting people and just saying, hi, do you mind if we share this, or do you have a problem with it? Some people, with regards to video content, sometimes they don't want to share it on social media. Sometimes you'll do a Google search and you'll find something. One of my clients, which is an events company, they have clients that are very private. So sharing their content online with the clients that are private is actually not it really needs to be looked at very carefully before you can start doing that. So if you've got a good working relationship with the person that you are sharing their content, that's great, but otherwise just drop them an email and say, hey, I found this picture, it would be great if we would like to share it on our Facebook page, or we'd like to tweet it. What credit would you like me to give your company? Can we tag you saying, thank you very much, photo credit from X photographer?